Hello everyone, welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today I will guide you through a QiGong practice to nourish and relieve discomfort in the lower back. Now let's get started. Finding a nice and warm place for this practice, an even ground to stand, slightly bending the right knee, step the left foot out to hip width or slightly wider. Feet are flat, toes pointing forward, knees slightly bent, hips relaxed. Relax the shoulders, armpit open. Tuck your chin slightly and lengthen through the back of the neck. Project the crown of your head, the Bai Hui point, up towards the sky. And close your eyes. Observe a few cycles of breath. Open your eyes. Begin the spinal twist. Swing the arms from side to side. Gentle movement. Allow the middle section to be loose and free. Follow the movement. Slowly increase the twist. Gently twist into the lower back. Come back to center. Rub your palms together. Warm up the Lao Gong point, the palace of toil, a master point for the heart. Bring your hands to your back. Use your palms to massage the kidneys, creating the connection between the heart and the kidney. The kidney plays such important role in the health of the lower back. Use the back of the hands to massage the kidneys. In traditional Chinese medicine, that the kidney deficiency is correlated with lower back problems. Flip over your hands, palms holding over the lower back for hip rotation. This is a wonderful movement to relieve stiffness, tension in the lower back. Go very slow. These slow movements help to clear blockages in the joints. Change the direction. Moving qi through the pelvic, the hip joints, through the tendons, the ligaments, each muscle fibers. Release your hands down by your sides. Observe a few cycles of breath. Open your eyes. Prepare for spinal cord breathing. Lengthen the arms up, elbows bent. Open the chest as you inhale, look up. Do not overly extend the back of the neck. Exhale, round through your spine, tuck the chin, and continue. Ease into the movement, and gradually bring the arms closer, elbows to touch, deepen into the movement, the stretch. This movement tonify the kidney qi, strengthen the door of life the powerful point along the governing channel of the body. Inhale, open the front of the spinal joint. Exhale, open the back of the spinal joint. When you round back down, try to wiggle the hips slightly left and right to loosen the top area of the hips. Rise up, flow the arms down by your sides, and relax. Yang Qi, nourish the Qi. Close your eyes. Notice the sensation in the body. Notice how good your back feels. Blink the eyes open. Extend one arm up over the head. Other arm on the bottom, palms facing each other. Turning the moon. Slowly alternate the arms. Palms are facing each other. Feel that biomagnetic attraction between your hands. Your hands are holding the moon, so the fingers are engaged. They're not stiff, but engaged. Feeling the sensations, tinkling sensations in the arms and the hands. As we're turning the moon, stretch slightly deeper on each side. Slowly flow your arms down. Bring the hands to your navel. Female, left hand over right. For male, right hand over left. As the left hand is the dominant hand for women, right hand is the dominant hand for men. Slowly and firmly trace your hands over your waist to the right. Reverse the direction. Right hand come all the way to the front and left. Left hand go to the back and to the right. We are massaging the Dai Mai, the belt meridian. It is the best to lift up your shirt, have the palms directly on the skin, and even nicer to apply castor oil or some lotion. I will attach a link to the oil in the description box for this video. The belt meridian is the only meridian in the body that travels horizontally. It interacts with all the other meridians that travels vertically in the body. Massage the belt meridian helps moisten the internal organs, strengthen the kidney, and nourish the liver. Return your hands to the navel. Massage the navel in a circular motion, clockwise. Slow and gentle breathing. Feeling the qi moving continuously and harmoniously in the body. Release the hands down. Bring the left foot back. Bring your hands to prayer. Focus your attention, your awareness to your lower dantian. Observe 3 full cycles of breath. Here we conclude our daily Qigong practice for back pain. Thank you, friends. Hope you enjoyed this practice and your lower back feels nice and lubricated. Remember to always bend your knees slightly when standing to take stress off your lower back. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please let me know. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Share it with a family member or friends. Sharing is caring. As always, take good care of yourself, and I will see you next time.